Mamba. Black Mambas ball. Black Mambas ball. Dun. Game ball. Dongs runs by Gian. Dongs Pasco. No good. Who's gonna Orioles pass to O'Malley for two. No good. It's not gonna rebound. Dongs. Pasco. Steve left. 2 points made by Steve.
May pranta ngayon, nagpunod.
Divine, pass to Pasco for Steve, Pasco, Kian, with a fadeaway shot, no good, rebound by Lebrado looking for a pass to O'Malley, back to Orias B, pass to Orias, but got nearly intercepted by Pasco. Lebrado for 3, no good, rebound by Divine.
Pamula.
Dongs, he drives, he scored! 2 points made by Dongs. Ian, pass to Dongs, he drives, he scored! 2 points made by Dongs, scores 66-62 in favor of the Black Mamba. Orioles J, doing the ball, he drives, no good! Rebound by Divine, pass to Dongs, he drives again, and he scored! Dongs, 2 points. Timeout, 3 outs. Okay. Field ball. Fields ball. White balls.
Dito ang inbound of. Inbound.
Mentra pa. Pass to O'Malley. Grabe yung O'Malley looking for a pass. That's still by Kian. Pass to Divine. Harassed by Mendoza. Pass to Kian. For 2 points. 2 points made by Kian. Mendoza. Getting the ball. He drives. He scores. 2 points made by Mendoza.
Stay tayo, pundot lagi, stay pranta.
Divine, what a nice fake by Divine. He drives, no good. Muskegon, rebound by Dog giving the ball. Pass to Lebrado. No good, still rebound by Lebrado. Foul. Horsepower. That's foul. Steve. Jersey number 1, Steve. Librando for 2 points made by Librando. Score 66-70 in favor of the Black Mamba. Pasto Kid, ang gandang pasa sa baba, kaso tala nakadepensa. Still, Black Mamba's ball. All right. Kid, Pasto Steve, Pasto Dogs. Dogs, 2 points made by Dogs. Dog, dribbling the ball, looking for a pass, Pasto Mendopa. Mendopa. Pasto Librando. Bali looking for a pass. Pass to Orius J. Orius J. It's a counted foul made by Orius J. One shoot para kay Orius J. Come on, what's up? Still rebound by Orius J. Orius J, 2-3, bang! 3-4, timeout, Black Mamba. Score 72-71 in favor of Black Mamba. Both team, meron kayo tig-isang timeout na lang natin para sa ating fourth quarter.
Prince! Isang timeout na lang. Tig-isa na lang. Tig-isa na lang. Ilan na tayo dito? Kailangan talaga. Pinis ang laban eh. Hindi mo bagay. Okay na sana itong medyo mas marami. Itong very compact kasi no? Nakakalito. Hirap yan. Ganyan sana kalaban. Para ganun-ganun.
Okay. Let's get ready to rumble. Black Mamba's ball. Kirk, throwing the ball. He drives. It's a foul. Number 7, Librando.
Oh, nice, third.
That's a third personal foul made by Librando. And first team foul. Isang puntos para kay Kirk. Sa pangalawang try sa tira. 2 puntos para kay Kirk. 74-71 in favor of the Black Mamba. Dog, nagana ng mga pasahan, pinasa kay Prado, libre-libre sa tres, kasama na pinilagay na Orias J, Orias B pala, Pasto, Umali, what a fadeaway shot, by Umali, 2 points. Pasco to Dog. White balls. White balls. Pasa Lebrado. Ay, hasta estilo bola. Mabigat tong siyan. He drives and he scores. Great right dog. Second. Kaya naman po masili. Orias Zuti. Pasto. Dog. No. Tumalaksak. So good. Rebound pa rin ni Dog. Pasto. Umali. Goes to. So good. Ano ba? Meron si Kato. Nagilihan si Kai Caruana. Lima pa rin niya. Umali. Pasto. Dog. Pasto. Orias stay. 4-3. No good. Pasto. Here. Not power play. Not drive. Hindi pa rin po mga sa mga kanilang lumas pa rin yung ano. Ay nga mo. Librano. Lebrando, Pasto Umali, Pasto Dog, Umali, 4-3! Umali! Tabla na! 76! Ano ang kailangan? Si Dimay! Papawi! Pero no good! Buhay sila ng mga Umali, Pasto, RSP. Baksing! Sabi ko sabi! Pasko out! Ryan in! Ayan na ba mga kaibigan? At mainit-init po ang laban. Umali! Naghanap ng mababasahan. Binasa kay Dog. Pasto Lebrado! Divine! No good! Ay na, labas po si Kian, Pasto Ryan, nagkano mo pasal, bigas sa Divine, Pasto Doms, 4-3, no good, it's gonna get a rebound by Divine, ay na nga po nagagawa siya ng bola, kung sino nga ba nararapat para sa kanya, ayun, Nailon!
When you're on the ground, players, yan na kayo, players.
Ayun na balang kumausap sa referee. Para agad. Labas na kami. Just kidding, bro. Alright. Dog. Ganap ng mapapasahan. Ayun na nga po, Ariman! Foul made by Dog. That's a second team foul and second personal foul made by Teach Me How to Doggy. Eh, side na lang. Side na lang ito. Pag gusto ko.
Nice!
Unang tira pa mga tibayan at ito ay pumasok. Ulitin ay sino na. Okay, pangalawang tira para kay Divine. Malakas yan, 300 damage si Divine. Grabe, naka-Divine. Naka-Divine, 300 damage.
Oh, tao!
76 in the row. Black Mamba with a blue jersey. Ay na po yan si.
Oh! Nice! 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 Hey! Oh! 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 Hey! Nice!
Ibig sabihin lang yan, mas magaling sila mag-spray. Lagyan. Mas magaling sila mag-spray. Rano, pass to USB, pass to Dog, pass to Umali for 3, no good, he's gonna get the rebound. Rebound by Umali for 2 again, no good, he's gonna get the rebound again, Librado. Ay lang ako, mainit po mga kaibigan.
Oh, Rabe! Nice! Rabe! Rabe! Look there, next. Ay, naga, magpula ba? Oh, yes,
Paano naman kasi? Anong tawag mo trapo? Una ka man tumawag mo. Doon sa road, ang pinakamalapit lang. Oo, ito kanina daw. Hindi siya tumawag. Ikaw lang yung tumawag. Tumawag. Siya pareho kami tumawag. Siya ang pinakamalapit. Tagal na tayo sa laro, pero ikaw ayaw tumawag. Hindi siya tumawag.
Hindi, tumawag siya daw.
Tumawag siya. Dalawa ka lang kami.
May tawag siya.
Okay.
Technical, number, Ian.
Both referees, please come here. All referees. Okay. All referees come here.
Committee timeout.
Committee timeout.
Players, dyan lang.
Kaya doon muna sa ano. Okay, punta lang kayo sa bench niya. Mag-uusap lang kami.
I just didn't hear the whistle go off.
Outside bounces, walking. That is traveling. Before
I didn't even see that. But now it's a technical. But because it's not, they get a free throw position.
Alright, reference decision, technical, Kian, jersey number 5. It's a one pushing foul, one shot free throw para sa trios. And sinong ball position? Ball position pa rin ng trios. Kaliwa lang guys! Ay! Ano ba? Sorry! Okay, 1 point. Orioles B, get a ball. Orioles B, pass to Gian. Gian for three. No good. Let's get a rebound. Rebound by Divine. Ayun na po na bawang nila ng mga kaibigan nila sa Divine. Divine, layup. 2 points made by Divine. Pass to Orioles B. Orioles B, pass to Umali. Umali for three. 3 points made by Umali. That's 80-80. 80 off for both teams. Ayan na po mga kaibigan natin. Nag-iinip ang mga si Ryan. Ryan ngayon. Uwi ng zigzag step pass to Revive. For 3 points. May Revive. Lamang na naman po ang mga blago ng black mga kaibigan. Tatlo na naman po ba? Ang init ng laban. Ang laban lang mainit. Huwag ang ulo. Okay? Orioles Day.
Table timeout.
Next.
Players, dyan lang kayo.
Technical. Free throw. Patayaras. Lamang tayo.
Third. Pass Divine. Divine. Pass to Kian. 2 points. Divine. Kian. Betopa dribbling the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to Orioles B. Orioles B. Pass to Omali. Omali for 3. No good. Rebound by Lebrano. Pass to Betopa. He tried. Last one. Dogs dribbling the ball. Dogs. Uy. Tumigas sa pa. Orioles play!
Timeout kaya? Timeout sila. Wala.
Oh, pinuli ka.
Don't worry, it's organic. Okay. Alright. Another 2 point. Dalang tira pa para kay Orioles J.
Nice!
Ayun na po mga kaibigan. Nandito na po ang huling tira para kay Orioles J. Ayun, score for Orioles J. Okay. Umasok isa.
Bilang.
81-85 in favor of the Black Bulls. Oh no, both teams, they don't have they don't have timeouts anymore. Both teams, they already used those.
Wala na kayong timeout ha. Pauli na.
Still have one timeout.
Meron pa kayong isa.
Black number still have one more timeout, okay? Okay, Vivian! Ito na po!
Penalty na, Butis. Penalty ako.
Laba. Isa na lang. Isang foul nyo, penalty na kayo.
Isa.
Isa. Isang foul, penalty na. Warning na kayo. Warning for penalty, okay? Reminder. Pass to Dog. Dog, pass to RSJ. RSJ to RSB. RSB for three. No good. Up, still. Good.
Gege, patay oras. Oh, likod ha. Patay oras. Nice.
29 seconds remaining time for Rustin. Timeout. Parker.
Third personal foul.
85-81 in favor of Black Bulls. Black Mamba. That's 13 fouls, so there's no penalty for the trios.
Dito sa kabilang penalty.
No. Black Mamba. Ay, mga kaibigan na yan, nag-iinit nga po ang laban. That's a fourth personal foul made by Doggy. And 14 foul for Trios rookie.
Bunog ni anime. Ayo, japing. Oh.
Wow. To 10, well, first graduate, which is number 420, Dog. Graduated from foul. That's his fifth personal foul made by Dog. Warning for penalty, both teams. Warning for penalty, both teams.
Kalat. Uy.
Dog. Penalty. Up. Graduate niya. 5 fouls. Ano isa?
Free throw.
Wala.
Oy, katat.
That's a penalty.
Doon bad. Nice. Sab.
Pasok lang.
Sige, pasok lang. Basta free throw. Pag may sasab, pasok lang. No, it's okay. Hold on. Alright. Bang! 2 puntos para kay Kurt. RSB dribbling the ball. Pass to RSJ for 3. No good.
Oh, kamay!
Okay, kamay. Okay. Always remember,